What you see before you is our Earth. It's a planet covered in water. Oceans make up 71% of its surface. That's why it appears blue from space. But have you ever wondered? What would happen if the oceans suddenly vanished? What would unfold? The moment the oceans disappear, Earth loses 1,332 billion cubic kilometers of water, creating a vast vacuum. Air rushes to fill the ocean basins. Unprecedented hurricanes sweep the globe. Winds could reach speeds of 1,000 kilometers per hour. Windows shatter, trees are uprooted. Animals and people are swept into the air like feathers. 1 minute after the oceans vanish, air fills the ocean depths. Air on land thins dramatically, reducing atmospheric pressure. It feels like standing several kilometers above sea level. Temperatures plummet, triggering altitude sickness. Oxygen levels drop, causing dizziness and breathlessness. Ships at sea plummet to the ocean floor, shattering on impact. 10 minutes after the oceans disappear, Earth's crust, free from water pressure, rebounds and shifts. Volcanoes erupt. Earthquakes devastate the planet. Land masses are violently reshaped. 1 hour after the oceans vanish, marine algae, producing 80% of Earth's oxygen, begin to die off. Without algae, humanity loses not just water, but its primary oxygen source. The ecosystem collapses rapidly. Marine life perishes, leaving decaying remains that fill the air with a putrid stench. The marine ecosystem disintegrates. 1 day after the oceans disappear, atmospheric pressure shifts drastically. Global precipitation turns to frost. Earth plunges into a new ice age. Oxygen levels plummet, making breathing and movement nearly impossible, even with oxygen tanks. Survival is precarious. Humanity's sole focus becomes survival. 1 week after the oceans vanish, submarine volcanoes erupt uncontrollably. Lava and ash blanket the sky, triggering mass extinctions. 1 month after the oceans disappear, Earth faces unprecedented drought. Crops wither and die. With no oceans, natural rainfall ceases. Rivers and lakes dry up rapidly. Water vanishes from the planet. Earth becomes a barren desert. 3 months after the oceans vanish, lacking water and oxygen, 80% of Earth's animals go extinct. Humans, hiding in underground bunkers or spacecraft, make a desperate stand. 6 months after the oceans vanish, surviving humans witness Earth's devastation. Dry forests ignite. Wildfires rage across the globe. Carbon dioxide levels soar, raising average temperatures to 30 degrees Celsius. 1 year after the oceans vanish, CO2 dominates the atmosphere, reaching critical levels. Surface temperatures approach 70 degrees Celsius. 99.9% of life, including humans, goes extinct. Only extremophile bacteria survive in harsh conditions. Over the next few years, Earth resembles Venus or Mars, barren and lifeless. Yet Earth remains more viable than other planets. A faint hope for life persists. However, restoring its original ecosystem is impossible. Millions of years later, an advanced alien civilization might visit Earth. They could uncover traces of humanity's lost civilization. Oceans are Earth's lifeblood. Without them, life could not have emerged or thrived. Marine pollution is a pressing global crisis. Since 2023, ocean pollution has been a major international concern. We're taught from childhood to protect our oceans. Yet destructive actions persist. Overfishing devastates marine ecosystems. Relentless ocean exploitation causes severe degradation. Some even dump industrial waste into the seas, ignoring warnings. This undermines conservation efforts. We must recommit to protecting our marine ecosystems. If the oceans collapse, global ecological balance will fail. For humanity, this would be catastrophic. We must act with urgency. For future generations, we must cherish our oceans. Protect Earth, our blue planet, for a sustainable future.